Hey friends, it's Tracy from Country Charm by Tracy, and today I'm going to share my take on the layered pumpkin shelf sitters offered by the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. Now, guys, this is a set of 3 layered pumpkins, and I'm going to share a little bit more about that later, but they are beautiful. Today, I'm going to share how I created them using scrapbook paper versus painting them. So, this is just a little different take of what you can do to decorate these wood kits. Now, this individual layered wood kit, it has 3 different sizes. I'll put the sizes there with the information. It comes with some stunning birds as well as the sunflowers, and they're perfect for mantles, shelves, tables, tier trays, just shelf sitters, also for gifts, and you can just change out the paper or you can paint them to match your style. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, in this set of 3 pumpkins, now one of them is sits by itself, and then the other 2 are together. So this is the one that is like this, and you get 3 different layers of them, plus the little middle part, a sunflower and a bird and leaves. Then the other one, it has the 2 that are laser cut together, and it comes with the dimensional pieces as well as the centerpieces, these sunflowers and the birds and the leaves. All right, guys. So the scrapbook paper that I'm using is from Miss Kate Designs. It is the Give Thanks selection, and as of the time of this video, I looked and she still does have it available. If you're interested in this particular these patterns and that kind of thing, I'll put a link for it in the description box. And so, but you can use you can get Hobby Lobby has scrapbook paper. You can get it off of Amazon. Michael's has it. Just different places. Plus, you probably, if you're like me, you have a stash of fall scrapbook paper, but I'll leave a link for this one individually because I know that some may ask for it. All right, so I figured out which patterns I wanted for my pumpkins. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my friction pen just to trim all of the, just trace all of that out and then just trim it with my scissors. And the reason that I use the friction pen is because it's an erasable pen if I heat it up. So if I get some of the lines on there that I don't want, I just heat those up and they disappear. To attach the paper to the pumpkins, the wood pumpkins, I'm going to use the Mod Podge heat transfer method. And if you're not familiar with it, what you do is you put a layer of Mod Podge on the wood surface, let that dry. I use my heat tool just to dry it up a bit. Then I use my Cricut mini heat press. It's just my little mini iron that I have. And I also use a piece of parchment paper. I just line those pumpkin pieces, the scrapbook paper up. Then I put the parchment paper, then I go ahead and heat it up, and then the Mod Podge heats up underneath there, and then the paper sticks to it. So I do that for all of my pumpkins. Now, once I get that, I'm going to put all of my little finishing touches on it. I do take my Gator sander and sand around the edges just to give it a little bit more distressed look. I'm also going to be adding some vintage photo distress ink, add all of my cute little fun embellishments and all of the doodles and squiggles and all of that good stuff that I like to do for my projects. I will have my affiliate link listed in the description box below if you would like to purchase one of these DIY wood kits and paint along with me. So speaking of painting, I will have the paint colors that I'm using listed in the description box below so that you can reference them easily so that you can grab those or use something very similar. Again, these are just ideas that I like to share of what I did with these layered pumpkins shelf sitters from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina.